Let me show you an easy way to save TikTok videos to your gallery without posting. If you're just testing out videos that you wanted to edit and create but don't want to share it with everyone else, you can always download them to your device. You can also choose to share those videos on other platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, etc. Now open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android and tap on the plus at the bottom center. Let's say you're working on a video. I'm just going to record a quick video here of my tabletop. And if you wanted to save this with or without the watermark, you can always do it by tapping on the check mark at the bottom right, and now tapping on next. Now, instead of posting this right now, we're going to go down and tap on more options to make sure a couple of things are turned on and off. So tap on more options here. The first thing that you want to check is save to device is turned on. And if you do want a watermark, you can always turn this off. But if you don't want a watermark on that video, make sure to turn that off. Now, after you've done that, there's no way to immediately save this to your gallery without posting it, but we can just tap on everyone can view this post and switch it to only you. Now, all you need to do is hit post, and now you'll be able to see if I tap on profile, that photo or video will be posted directly in my private videos. And then if I get into the gallery here, it'll be saved directly onto the gallery of my iPhone or Android without posting it to anyone else. You can always go back into the TikTok app here. And then on any of these that you did, you can tap the three dots, swipe all the way over, tap on delete, and then delete it before anybody else sees it.